Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Siobhan here. For anyone that's new, I'm a tech and lifestyle content creator here in the GTA, and today is the day that we finally looking for new places. Well, I've been looking for the past couple of months and it's been crazy. The Toronto market right now for getting places, houses, all that stuff has just been insane. And in today's video, we're gonna go through a few units that I saw. Unfortunately, I can't tell you the location or area it has been in based on the realtors. Like she said, make sure you don't talk about the area, blah blah blah. So unfortunately I can't. So please down below in the comments if you guys are saying where are these places, blah blah. That's the reason I can't tell or name the place, since most of these places I didn't purchase myself and it's not mine. So yeah, I guess I don't know why, but that's what they said. So this is the first time I'll be actually like looking for a place since I've been in my area right now. And if you guys didn't know, I film everything inside this room. So that's one of the main reasons I needed to move, was because of the space. So initially I was looking for a place for myself. So it would be a condo area, and that usually typically costs $1,850 in Toronto. But the thing is, a couple of my friends said, hey, they were looking for places as well. We're all creatives, we work together. So normally, I live in Brampton right now. So normally when we want to shoot and stuff, we'd have to plan a trip down to Toronto, depending on where we'd go. So now that all of us would live together, it just makes so much more sense. So it'll be three of us. So as I said before, I was looking for condos at first, but then the condo market, the sizes and everything just doesn't make sense. If you look inside my room right now, you can see I have big lights, I have tons of camera gear. So I needed to get something more of like an apartment or a house. So we started to look for houses and apartments. So what I was looking for in these houses or apartments was a nice window, like big lights coming in, huge living room area, and most importantly a basement. Because right now I have everything in my room, all my camera gear, I sleep here, I work here. So I needed somewhere that could have a nice room area for me to sleep, still have my little nice setup, productivity setup to edit and stuff. But I needed a dedicated filming area where I could bring in a lot of stuff, because a lot of companies reach out to me. I can't get to do certain videos because of the space. So I needed to have a dedicated office space where I could work. So some tips for you guys, if it's your first time looking for a place here in Toronto, it's crazy. Like, they need a lot from you. They need your credits history. You have to be working a job. It's like you're applying for a job. I didn't experience this before, so I wasn't expecting none of this. So the first thing they wanted was to prove that you could financially pay for the thing, which I did. But another thing, since I'm a YouTuber, it's kind of difficult for me to like say what kind of job I have. They wanted you to have a stable job, money coming in every time. So me personally, I didn't like do any statements or I just don't have any records showing all the money coming in. It's kind of crazy. So I need to actually get like a tax advisor or something like that, so I could get my yearly annual income in. Also, pro tip, if you're a content creator or a YouTuber, don't tell your don't tell the landlord or anything that you're a YouTuber. I don't know, it's just not the best thing to do. Try to figure something out, like you're a video director or something. But based on my experience here in Toronto, just don't say you're a YouTuber. Alright guys, so we're at the location right now. This, how much apartment we're looking at? One? Oh, literally? Yeah. So this is 3,000 a month. Let's say this is the lobby. So this first apartment looked amazing from the pictures, but stepping in, man, this thing was super small for 3 people. I don't know, the living area was limited. They had a really nice kitchen though. I like the countertops, and also where the fridge is, it's kind of cool that it's like blending in with the furniture and everything. Overall, the aesthetic, it was really nice, but for having 3 people inside of here, it was just not my cup of tea. The bathrooms are super small. He had a standing shower, and also when you take a look at just the living area, there wasn't any place to like go out and chill. It's just like small rooms. They also had a second bathroom which was kind of bigger, and a little area for storage. You know, you could put, I don't know, it's like a pantry, or I don't know what you'd put in here. But this was a room. Like, what bed am I fitting in these rooms? The rooms are also super close. There was no way we'll be able to like set up a studio anywhere in here and not have noise complaints. It was just not the goal. but overall it was all right. But for $3,000, all you would really be paying for is the views, and the views did not disappoint. He also had a balcony that you could step out into, and I'm not gonna lie, this balcony was huge. This was like the main highlight of the area in my opinion. You have this nice view looking over to the lake and also the ocean right over there. But yeah, that's all you're really paying for was the view. So yeah, on to the next one. Guys, so this is day 2. Quick update. We won't be looking at condos today, but we'll be for sure looking at some houses because it just overall has more space. So let's go. Hello. Alright. Thank you. Here at the second location right now. So the second unit, this was a house. It was $3,500 with 6 beds and 4 baths. This was insane. This was the one that we're all like, yes, we needed to get it. And the first place we went and looked at was the basement. And oh my god, this basement was huge. I could already start thinking about where I'd want to put my setup. Down here would be crazy. We could also put the studio down there because my friends would like to put a studio down here. But down here is this room right here is what I would set up for the studio. So you can see this little door inside here could be the booth. You know, step inside here, then out in the main right here. This room area could be the like setup where you could have your monitors and all that good stuff. So yeah, we're super excited for this place. So on the way back upstairs, you can see actually there's a powder room. So when you step right into the house, you have a nice powder room. You could just wash your face, you know, do your little thingy thing. And now before we look at the living area, let's actually go ahead and take a look at the rooms because whoo-wee, the rooms in this house was crazy. Sheesh. Okay. Bro, every room valid. Bro, imagine this.
Yeah, you can have this.
Imagine. So this was one of my favorite spots so far. The lighting coming in from every single angle of the house is really nice. Also, this room had a bathroom which was really nice. It's not even the master and it still had a bathroom in it, so that's good to see. All the sinks, everything, the shower head, everything looked very clean. Even the walls, the tiles, just the details you have to look out for. This was not another bathroom unit that anyone could share, but my favorite was this, the master bedroom. Super huge. I could just already imagine having my setup in this area. Like I was just like, yo, we need to move in as soon as possible. And even the bathroom was really nice. It had a his and hers, but you know, I don't really have a her right now, so I'd have to use both of that for myself. If there's any hers down in the comments, let me know. I'm taking applications. But yeah, the kitchen, the living area, everything was perfect about this place. And don't be surprised if we move into this one. All right, guys, third location right now. All right, how much is this one again? 33 bands per month. I like this. 33 bands. Some nice. So the third unit, it looked really nice in my opinion. The kitchen was also, you know, all right. I didn't like the cupboards, the brown. I don't know, I'm not a fan of the brown wood. It just looks kind of old to me. The living area looked really nice with the pot lights. The wood floor was glistening, really nice again. And also this little cool room I found.
Family room.
Family room. Yeah, so far guys, the second place is the best because in terms of space and everything, it's more open, you know what I mean? It's kind of enclosed. It's 3 of us.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And everybody needs to have a setup.
Yeah.
We can go upstairs, eh? Yeah. Okay, can't judge a book by its cover. So let's see upstairs. Alright. Yeah, these rooms are small. So this is one room. I love the wall. Small closet right here.
Yeah, there's not nothing on the other place, guys.
Yeah, the other place way better than this one. Another room in here. All the rooms are basically the same size. You know, when I step in here, I'm not feeling the vibe. Like, you know, we step into the first place, like, yeah.
Yeah.
You want this? Bro, all the rooms feel the same. All the rooms feel the same. Let's go over here. What's this? Oops. his and hers low-key. Shower look kind of old school. The lights, any lights?
I think that's it.
Yeah, light right here. Some spotlights, kind of cool. But yeah, this one, the neighborhood is nicer in my opinion, but yeah, it's a no-go. What we saying? Number
one,
first house?
Number one, young. Straight up.
Nigga said number first house.
Number first house. Yeah, first house. God's willing. That'll be the one.
Yeah.
God's will.
There's the one. That's the one.
Yes, sir, ski.
Oh.
Alright guys, so this is getting annoying. Right now, I'm currently waiting for an Uber. We're gonna look at I lost count of how many houses we looked at. But I think we're gonna look at the fifth house or sixth house. But they look pretty good. They're in a nice location here in Toronto. So one is for 3,600, one is for 3,500. Right now I'm just waiting for the Uber so we could head over to there. And hopefully you guys can hear me because I think I'm talking to the AirPods. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so this house, unfortunately I can't show too much of the house and everything because they still had tenants living in the house, meaning that the pictures were still up. You had people personal belongings in the house as well. So I'll just briefly explain my experience and what I thought. So I thought this place was really nice. The bathrooms were clean. The rooms upstairs though was kind of iffy. The floor was kind of squeaky. You know, from the pictures everything looked amazing, but when you step inside the house it's always something different, always something you don't expect. But the rooms definitely would need a lot of work in terms of painting the walls. The floors, as I said before, was kind of squeaky, which I didn't like. But all in all, it was kind of cool, especially the master bedroom. It was massive. It was a big, very big master bedroom. And my favorite part was just the view you get from upstairs overshadowing the living area. Like that's an amazing view. And also downstairs was really nice. It's a 3-floor house, so downstairs they had places for gaming area. They had this little nice, I don't know what you even call this, but they had a nice area that you could go out and it had like your plants out there and everything. It's like a beach house kind of, so, or a pool house I should say. So yeah, this had a lot of potential, but I don't know, it's kind of too big for our needs, honestly. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. One of these places will be mine. There might be a surprise, so just make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss the moving vlog. It's gonna be lit, it's gonna be insane. I'm finally gonna be able to leave the small room and get crazy content out for you guys. So if you want to join the ride, drop a like on this video, comment down below which apartment or unit was your favorite, and as always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.